Hi, I'm Esteban with GROWMAX WATER, and I'm going to show you today how to connect our high flow water filter systems for hydroponics and gardening, the Super Grow and the Pro Grow. Super Grow give you 800 liters per hour and the Pro Grow 2000 liters per hour. Both of them comes with a already installed garden hose quick connection in the inlet and in the outlet, so it's pretty easy to connect. So take your garden hose, okay, connect it to the inlet water, and take another garden hose and connect it to the outlet water. Make sure that are good connected, and then you can turn on your water, and you are ready to water your plants. Pretty easy. So thanks for watching us, and grow it to the max with GROWMAX Water.